Hello everyone and welcome back to Self-Study Mandarin. If you want to master Chinese step by step, you are in the right place. Before we jump into today's exciting lesson, please make sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and share this video with your friends who are also learning Mandarin. Your support helps us create more free courses for you. All right, let's get started. All right, today we are learning an incredibly useful new word. This is the modal verb 想. In English, 想 translates to would like to or want to. It's an absolute must-know word in everyday conversations because it allows you to express your desires. Let's dive into how it works. Let's look at the core meaning and the grammar rule of 想. As for its meaning, we use it to express a desire, an intention, or a wish to do something. Its grammar rule is what we call a modal verb or an auxiliary verb. That simply means it cannot usually stand completely alone in this context. It needs to help a main verb. And for placement, the rule is very simple. 想 is always placed before the main verb of the sentence. Remember that, desire comes before the action. Let's put this into a formula. Here is your affirmative structure. The rule is place 想 directly before the action you want to take. So our sentence formula is subject plus 想 plus verb plus object. Who wants to do it? The word 想, the action, and then the thing they're acting upon. Let's look at some examples to make this crystal clear. Take a look at our first example. 我们想看电影. 我们 is we, 想 is want to. 看电影 is watch a movie. Altogether, we want to watch a movie. Now look at the second example. Let's say you are hungry. You would say, 我想吃中国菜. 我 is I, 想 is want to, 吃 is eat, and 中国菜 is Chinese food. I want to eat Chinese food. Great job. But what if you don't want to do something? Let's look at the negative structure. The crucial rule here is simple. To negate 想, you just place the word 不 right before it. So want to is 想, and don't want to is 不想. Please note the big red X on the screen. Do not say 想不. The 不 must come first. Our negative formula is subject plus 不想plus verb plus object. Let's practice this. Here are our negative examples. Say you are out shopping, but you are tired. You can say, 我不想买衣服. I don't want to buy clothes. Notice how 不想 goes right before the verb buy, 买. And our second example, 他们不想去学校. 他们 means they, 不想 means don't want to, 去学校 means go to school. They don't want to go to school. So we know how to say we want something and we don't want something. Now, how do we ask someone else what they want? Let's look at the question structure. The crucial rule for simple yes-no questions in Chinese is to take an affirmative sentence and simply add the question particle ma at the very end. So our formula becomes subject plus 想 plus verb plus object plus ma. It's just like building a normal sentence but adding a question word at the end. Let's see this in action. If you want to offer someone a drink, you ask, 你想喝水吗? 你想喝水吗? You want to drink water, question word. Would you like to drink water? Or if you're running errands and want to invite a friend, 你想去商店吗? 你想去商店吗? You want to go to the store, question word. Do you want to go to the store? You guys are doing amazing. Let's do a quick summary of everything we learned today about 想 today. You can take a screenshot of this page to help you study. For an affirmative statement, it's subject plus 想 plus verb. Example, 我想喝茶. I want to drink tea. For a negative statement, it's subject plus 不想 plus verb. Example, 我不想去. I don't want to go. And for a question, it's subject plus 想 plus verb plus ma. Example, 你想买吗? Do you want to buy it? And that wraps up our lesson on the modal verb 想. Try making your own sentence in the comments below using the word 想. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video if you found it helpful. See you in the next self-study Mandarin lesson. 再见. Goodbye.
你想吃苹果吗？你想吃苹果吗？
我不想吃苹果。我不想吃苹果。
你想喝绿茶吗？你想喝绿茶吗？
我想喝热红茶。我想喝热红茶。
你想买新衣服吗？你想买新衣服吗？
我不想买衣服。我不想买衣服。
我们想去看电影。我们想去看电影。
你想看电影吗？你想看电影吗？
我不想看电影。我不想看电影。
你想去跑步吗？你想去跑步吗？
我今天不想跑步。我今天不想跑步。
你想去游泳吗？你想去游泳吗？
我想在家休息。我想在家休息。
你想听音乐吗？你想听音乐吗？
我不想听音乐。我不想听音乐。
你想睡觉了吗？你想睡觉了吗？
我现在不想睡觉。我现在不想睡觉。
你想学习汉语吗？你想学习汉语吗？
我想写汉字。我想写汉字。
你想看书吗？你想看书吗？
我不想看这本书。我不想看这本书。
你想去商店吗？你想去商店吗？
我想买一个手机。我想买一个手机。
你想买电脑吗？你想买电脑吗？
我不想买电脑。我不想买电脑。
你想吃面条吗？ 你想吃面条吗？
我想吃中国菜。我想吃中国菜。
你想去饭店吗？你想去饭店吗？
我不想去饭店。我不想去饭店。
你想自己做饭吗？你想自己做饭吗？
我想做鸡蛋面。我想做鸡蛋面。
你想喝牛奶吗？你想喝牛奶吗？
我早上不想喝牛奶。我早上不想喝牛奶。
你想喝咖啡吗？你想喝咖啡吗？
我想喝热咖啡。我想喝热咖啡。
你想去买报纸吗？你想去买报纸吗？
我不想看报纸。我不想看报纸。
你想去医院吗？你想去医院吗？
我不想去医院。我不想去医院。
你想看医生吗？你想看医生吗？
我没病，不想去。我没病，不想去。
你想去旅游吗？你想去旅游吗？
我想去北京旅游。我想去北京旅游。
你想坐飞机吗？你想坐飞机吗？
我不想坐飞机。我不想坐飞机。
你想坐火车吗？你想坐火车吗？
我想坐火车去。我想坐火车去。
你想明天去吗？你想明天去吗？
我不想明天去。我不想明天去。
你想下个月去吗？你想下个月去吗？
我想下星期去。我想下星期去。
你想和我一起吗？你想和我一起吗？
我想和你一起去。我想和你一起去。
你想带小狗吗？你想带小狗吗？
我不想带小狗去。我不想带小狗去。
你想带弟弟去吗？你想带弟弟去吗？
弟弟不想去北京。弟弟不想去北京。
你想给妈妈打电话吗？你想给妈妈打电话吗？
我想晚上打电话。我想晚上打电话。
你想现在准备吗？你想现在准备吗？